I think I can speak for most loggers when I say we are just not that into cleaning house. We also don't want to live in a pigsty. So sometimes you got to do what you got to do. And we have company coming out here next week. Time to do a little bit of tidying up around here. One thing we don't like is pushing a broom. These things are slow, inefficient, they're just a lot of work, take too much time. Unless of course we're sweeping sawdust off of lumber at the sawmill, then these are perfectly fine. But I have a technique that's much more efficient than using a broom. This technique works best on a windy day, which is very convenient because a lot of times it's not windy. That gives you a good excuse to not do housework on most days. Most days it's not windy. Nope, can't clean the house today, the wind's not blowing. Well, this afternoon the wind started blowing, we're out of luck. But that's okay, this should go quickly. Before I put on the protective equipment, want to make sure open all the doors and all the windows. If you can take the screens out, that's even better. As always, safety first. Ear protection, protect our ears. Dust mask, keep from breathing all the house dust. Face shield, protection from flying objects. The boots, the hard hat. I think these are more about fashion in this case. Like they say, when you look good, you feel good. We want to start on the side of the house the wind's blowing from. I'm going in. All right, that's it. House is spick and span, ready for company. Just like that. When the wind's blowing and the doors and windows are open, the wind blows in one side, blows the dust out the other. After you go through once, go through one more time, maybe another time, to get some of the dust that's settled. House is now sparkling clean, and for extra credit, you can get a dustpan full of dust and practice the fine art of making it look like you're doing more than you're actually doing, or accomplishing something when you're not really accomplishing anything, just in case somebody happens to be around to see it. That's a little trick I learned from watching government. Before the company gets here, I better go clean out the pool.